Good afternoon. We're making a start with the Winter Barley combining 2025. This is the earliest I think I've ever combined Winter Barley. It's the 4th of July. Standing pretty good. One or two places it's lying slightly, but nothing very much. Gone in with one trailer load. Only got 5-ton trailers, but we've got that one gone in. We've got another one to fill up in a minute. "17 acres this field is. I haven't bothered with the hill. I didn't fancy combining it. Spray the hill off sometime and work it over, and I'm going to reseed this field this year. We're back the other way now. They forecast rain tomorrow, so we'll just do another trailer load and then bale this straw up. It's supposed to be fine weather again next week, so carry on and do the rest. Thank you for watching.